Alright, hey you too, Sully, Small Water Fishing and Survival. Did a couple short lives today. I was out on the lake, and it was doing great right up to coming back from to the boat launch. Battery died, so definitely gonna upgrade to a gas powered motor and only use the trolling motor here on the bow when I'm fishing. The little rigging for the battery cover worked great, kept water out. Motor worked great, kept me moving, kept going. A little bit of cleanup I got to do. I got to get some seaweed and stuff out of it. Sorry. The seat, loved it, same as in the canoe. The drain, the new drain, held up perfect. Okay. However, I did not realize that there's a hole right there, and I just noticed one right there. Oh, and right there. So that would explain the phenomena that I'm having right now. Didn't notice that, or maybe I just failed to notice that, I should say, is in between the hulls got a lot of water in it. So overall it floats. I was out on that lake for about 3.5 hours before that battery died under constant use. So I'll give that a win any day with the work that I've put into this boat. Into the trailer. The amount of money and time I've spent fixing this thing. It's on the water. It's good. Now I'm just cleaning up my stuff because I had to get out of the boat launch because it started getting busy. And so overall, job done. Couple minor repairs now to make, couple minor things I noticed, but job done. It's on the water, it floats. Watch out for some fishing videos from the boat. Have a good day.